Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this beautiful Vauxhall Astra 1.4i SRI. Now this vehicle has currently done 58,656 miles and it's finished in the colour deep sky blue. Now this vehicle does come with 4 previous services. It's a lovely looking hatchback. It sits very nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. Here in the boot you'll find 370 litres of space, which can be increased to 1,210 with the rear seats down. Here inside to the rear you'll find your lovely two-tone cloth interior. You have the nice patterned effect in the centre of the seats. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Here up front you'll find your leather multifunction steering wheel. Round to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable while driving. On the steering wheel here you'll find your cruise control. You also have your collision warning system. To the right you've got controls for adjusting the infotainment system. In the centre of the instrument cluster here you do have a digital display where you can access different trip and vehicle information, including a digital speedometer. In the centre of the dashboard you'll find your touchscreen infotainment system that provides access to DAB, FM and AM radio. There is also USB and auxiliary inputs allowing you to play your own music. You have your Bluetooth telephone menu here where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving, and there's even access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to keep you well connected with your smartphone. Here in the settings you also have access to system and vehicle settings. Underneath the display you'll find your air conditioning, which is very easy to use. In the centre here you have your lane departure warning system as well as your traction control and your 5-speed manual gear selector here in the centre console.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.